Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm not really sure what happened, but I will quickly show you my order one more time, but all of a sudden I was filming and it just clicked off. So my apologies. Maybe I didn't get it set up correctly. Okay, so this is a previous order. I'm trying to put these together is what I'm doing. And I unwrap this with the gorgeous, wrap that Paola puts everything in. And this is from the Cottage Fairy. Let me see, the Cottage Fairy Art. So she has a channel here on YouTube, and I highly recommend her. Just beautiful, beautiful, talented, gorgeous art. And some of these I was saying I have bought before. So I've bought some for me to print, frame and hang, and then some I will do for my granddaughters, I think, and offer that for them. Our daughter and son-in-law are in the process of, they've built out a tiny home to live in while their barn was being built, and they're in the process of, building then the house after that. But the barn has to get built next, and then they have to get livestock going, and then they'll build their house. So they're going to be in a tiny home for a long time. So I am going to save these and put these up, and then, and then I will have those ready. But this is from Paola, and here's her signature, and just gorgeous. She did that as well. So just incredibly talented. Our granddaughter's room now, before her sister is born, is all woodland animals. And then for the next baby, it'll be woodland animals as well. So super, super excited. Okay, friends, that was a very quick share, but you can clearly see whenever she comes out with something new, I'm right there. She is really, really talented, very sweet, very kind. And again, I highly, highly recommend you take a chance and go see her beautiful channel here on YouTube. And it is the Cottage Fairy, I believe. So, all right, friends. And her name is Paola, Paola. So if that helps. Okay, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Um, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. This was quick and easy, and hopefully just a good break in your day. And most importantly, just make today a good day. Go out and enjoy your day and do the best you can do with what is happening in your part of the world today. And that's all we can do, right? Okay, friends. I'll be talking to you soon. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And leave a comment and tell me, have you enjoyed her art that she sells on Etsy, or with the same Cottage Fairy art? Or have you seen her videos yet? If you have been following her on video, beautifully done videos. So, all right, friends, I'll talk to you soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.